Planet Bollywood. मैं हूँ सागरिका छेत्री and I bring you the latest from the world of Bollywood, social media and entertainment. Without further ado, let's begin the show with the top headlines of the day. Kangna calls Kareena and Sonam filmy bimbos and accuses them of selective activism. Double bonanza for Tiger fans as he announces Heropanti 2 and Baghi 4. Neha and Rohan Preet share romantic memories from their fairy tale wedding. Katrina is the only star in her upcoming superhero film. There will be no male actor cast opposite her. Kajal Agarwal poses in bridal mehendi as she gears up to marry Gautam Kichlu. Filmy bimbos. These are the words used by Kangna Ranaut to attack her colleagues Kareena Kapoor Khan, Sonam Kapoor, Swara Bhaskar as she questioned them about why they have not publicly condemned an incident where a girl who was attacked in broad daylight by her stalker succumbed to her injuries. The Panga star, who has an active presence on social media, अक्सर politically charged comments करती है and is currently locked in a bitter battle with the Maharashtra state government and the Mumbai police, who she had heavily criticized for their handling of the Sushant Singh Rajput case. कंगना रनौत पिछले कुछ महीनों से बॉलीवुड पर बार-बार अटैक कर रही है. She often refers to Bollywood as Bullywood and calls the powerful people in the industry as the movie mafia. Recently, she has started bringing in a religious angle in her comments and also has started raising voices for various social causes. Kangna Ranaut recently accused Karan Johar and his production house for littering a village in Goa with biomedical waste and now has attacked and launched a fresh onslaught on the leading ladies in the industry. कंगना, जो आजकल अपनी सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट में अक्सर रिलीजियस एंगल लाने लगी है, has been criticized for using words like Babar Sena or repeatedly referring to her caste and religion and glorifying these aspects of her identity. She had also controversially supported the religious backlash against an advertisement that showed an interfaith marriage. In her most recent post, the actor has questioned why her colleagues from Bollywood have not criticized and condemned an incident in Haryana where a girl passed away after she was brutally attacked by a man who was stalking her. The frightening incident was captured on CCTV camera, and while many public figures have condemned the incident, कंगना को इस बात से गुस्सा आया कि बॉलीवुड से किसी भी सेलिब्रिटी ने इस हादसे को क्रिटिसाइज क्यों नहीं किया. In her attempt to show support to the deceased girl and praise the bravery with which she defended herself against her attackers who allegedly belonged to another religion, Kangna shared multiple posts comparing the victim to Padmavati and Rani Lakshmibai. In another post related to this incident, कंगना ने अपने बॉलीवुड कॉलीग्स को अटैक किया. करीना, ऋचा चड्डा, सोनम और स्वरा जैसे स्टार्स को फिल्मी बिम्बोस कहते हुए accused them of hypocrisy and selective activism, alleging कि वो सिर्फ तभी injustice के खिलाफ आवाज उठाते हैं जब उसमें उनका भी फायदा होता है. Sharing the collage of images and post by another netizen, Kangna wrote, all of them should be put in jail for fake and selective activism. These filmy bimbos have caused huge damage to the cause of women empowerment. Why their mouths are sealed for Nikita? Whether a religious angle should be brought into an incident of violence that can happen to any woman in any part of India is debatable, but whether comments that can cause tensions between two religious groups should be made by a public figure like Kangna is the more serious question. The fit and fabulous Tiger Shroff will be seen in not one, but two big budget films next year. While Heropanti 2 had been announced before the lockdown, the team of Sajid Nadiadwala, Tiger Shroff and Ahmed Khan have announced a fourth film in the Baghi franchise as well. Tiger Shroff is undoubtedly one of the most sought-after young actors in Bollywood. With his dancing skills, martial arts, action sequences, and those dreamy eyes, he has managed to create a huge fan base for himself amongst the youngsters in India. He has a perfectly sculpted physique और उनके 2.5 किलो का हाथ एक पूरे कंट्री पर भी भारी पड़ सकता है. He's been a part of many successful films like War and Baghi. The actor who made his debut opposite Kriti Sanon in Heropanti has announced that he was working on Heropanti 2, which will be produced by Sajid Nadiadwala and directed by Ahmed Khan. But in a Sone Pe Suhaga moment for Tiger fans, the star has given them a bigger reason to rejoice. Tiger will also be a part of Baghi 4, a franchise that has remained immensely popular with audiences in India. Baghi 4 will also be directed by Ahmed Khan. Tiger shared a picture of himself with the producer and director of both his upcoming films and added the hashtags Heropanti 2, Baghi 4, which said it all. Director Ahmed Khan, who has been given a huge responsibility of directing 2 highly anticipated films, shared a post on social media where he wrote, "Coming together with this duo has always been a delight. Happy to be back, and now we're all set to roll something bigger than ever." Hashtag Sajid Nadiadwala's Heropanti 2 and Baghi 4 starring Tiger Shroff coming. In the meanwhile, Tiger is keeping in touch with his fans via a social media challenge where people do things blindfolded. The actor combined his love for dance, martial arts and music and raised the bar of the challenge by several notches when he did back-to-back flips while being blindfolded. Tiger shared his video in a social media post and captioned it, "Been watching you guys take it to the next level with the blindfold challenge. So I thought I should level up a bit too." Well, looks like social media challenge हो या फिल्मों में एक्शन की इंटेंसिटी, you are taking everything up to the next level.
Tiger bhai, thank you.
Neha and Rohanpreet just can't stop gushing and sharing pictures from their beautiful wedding ceremony in Delhi this week. The talented singers have shared some dreamy yet adorable photos from their Varmala and wedding ceremony, जहां वो दोनों ही किसी रॉयल कपल से कम नहीं लग रहे हैं. Recently, Neha Kakkar's makeup artist also shared 2 unseen pictures from the former's bachelorette bash. In the last few days, pictures and videos from Neha Kakkar and Rohanpreet Singh's wedding ceremony have gone absolutely viral on social media, with people loving the chemistry between the newlywed couple. Neha and Rohanpreet had an intimate but a lavish wedding affair in Delhi. Now they're back in Mumbai, but they have something very, very special to remember about the year 2020. Neha and Rohanpreet are now back in Mumbai after enjoying multiple wedding functions, including a mehendi, haldi, sagai, shadi and reception in Punjab before heading back to the city. While several pictures were shared by fan clubs and their friends attending the ceremonies, the couple has now shared professional pictures from their wedding day on their social media pages. The couple looks stunning in their designer wedding clothes and seem thrilled to be making a lifelong commitment to each other. In the pictures, he has shared Neha और Rohanpreet हाथों में हाथ लिए फेरे ले रहे हैं और शादी की बाकी रस्मों को निभा रहे हैं. But what caught our eye was the caption he added with the pictures. Rohanpreet wrote, "Lo ji, हो गई सिकनी." which seems to be inspired from Sunny Deol's dialogue in the film Gadar. Rohan Preet also shared his gratitude for all the happiness Neha and he have received and made sure to thank the designer who gifted them their specially coordinated wedding outfits. He also added in his post, "Shukar hai Vaheguru ji, Shukar Mata Rani. Dreams do come true, but they work better if you work hard." While Rohan Preet shared images from the Anand Karat ceremony, Neha shared some dreamy pictures from their Varmala ceremony, जहां दोनों एक दूसरे को प्यार के हार पहना रहे हैं, while rose petals showered down on them. Neha captioned these romantic pictures with a sweet message which said, "Best clicks of my life. Rohan Preet Singh, you make me look even better when I'm with you."
कभी छोड़ के मैं जाना नहीं देगा।
We wish the newly married couple all the happiness in the world and we hope कि आप दोनों इसी तरह एक दूसरे के साथ खुश रहे। Katrina Kaif is a superstar who doesn't need a male actor to help popularize her film or play her love interest. The actor, who is all set to play a superhero or superheroine in a new film directed by Ali Abbas Zafar, will be flying solo in this highly anticipated project. Well, there is a lot of excitement around the film being directed by Ali Abbas Zafar, which will have Katrina Kaif play India's first female superhero. We've had superhero films in the past, like Krish, Ravan, or even Shaktiman a few years ago. But we've never had an Indian female superhero character being played by any actress, like Wonder Woman or Captain Marvel. And Katrina Kaif is here to change the game. While most film directors in the past chose to highlight her good looks and dancing skills, she has proven her mettle as a talented performer with films like Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara and Zero, where she displayed great acting skills as well. In films like Ek Tha Tiger and Tiger Zinda Hai, she proved that action sequences and fight scenes को भी वो बखूबी निभा सकती है. Perhaps that's why director Ali Abbas Zafar, who has worked with her on films like Ek Tha Tiger, Tiger Zinda Hai and Mere Brother Ki Dulhan, decided to cast her in his ambitious female superhero project. But important बात ये है that while most male superhero films have a female star playing a love interest, कटरीना अपने सुपरहीरो फिल्म में किसी भी मेल एक्टर को ना रोमांस करेंगी, ना उनके साथ स्क्रीन स्पेस शेयर करेंगी. So if you have been wondering which male star might be joining the film, well, the answer is no one. This superhero film has just one hero, Katrina Kaif. Speaking to a news publication, director Ali Abbas Zafar said, "Well, I don't need a man opposite Katrina in this film. She herself is the hero as well. The film will be mounted on a huge scale and will be very new and different. Katrina won't have a romantic track in it." The director also added कि इस फिल्म की शूटिंग शुरू होने में 6 महीने और लगेंगे, since a lot of preparation needs to be done in advance to ensure a smooth shoot. Ali also revealed कि ये फिल्म दुनिया के कई कोनों में फिल्म होगी and named Poland, Georgia, Dubai, Abu Dhabi and Uttarakhand as possible locations for this first of its kind movie. There are also reports कि Ali एक Indian superhero franchise create करना चाहते हैं, जिसमें से पहली फिल्म कटरीना की होगी. Well, if there is an actor who can bring both strength and vulnerability to a character, it's Katrina, and we can't wait to see her prove her mettle on screen. Agarwal is all set to get hitched to longtime boyfriend Gautam Kichlu on the 30th of this month. But it looks like the wedding celebrations have already begun. The actor shared some stunning pictures from her Mehendi ceremony that kick-started their wedding celebrations. Kajal Agarwal had shared the happy news of her wedding earlier this month, while also adding that due to the pandemic and the continued restrictions, the wedding will be an intimate and a small affair with only immediate family members. देखिए शादी छोटी हो या बड़ी, it brings together two individuals and families in a special bond. Here's wishing Kajal and her fiancé a lifetime of happiness. Kajal, who is a very popular star in Tamil and Telugu cinema, made her Bollywood debut as a leading lady with Singham opposite Ajay Devgan and also starred as Akshay Kumar's girlfriend in Special 26. Her fiancé Gautam is an entrepreneur and owns a home interior design label. Earlier this month, the actor shared the happy news of her engagement with a statement on her social media account. काजल ने बताया कि वो और गौतम एक प्राइवेट सेरेमनी में शादी करेंगे, keeping in mind the current scenario where people continue to face many difficulties due to the pandemic. And there are restrictions on the number of people who can gather together for social functions. Her statement said, "It gives me immense joy to share that I am getting married to Gautam Kichlu on the 30th of October 2020 in Mumbai, in a small private ceremony surrounded by our immediate families. This pandemic has certainly shed a sobering light on our joy. But we are thrilled to start our lives together and know that all of you will be cheering for us in spirit." After sharing some gorgeous pictures of her and Gautam celebrating Dussehra together and setting up their new home, Kajal has now shared a snap from her Mehendi function. Kajal is all smiles as she shows off her bridal Mehendi and looks stunning in a traditional but simple mint color outfit with floral prints. She accessorized her Mehendi look with kundan earrings and a fishtail braid, and her makeup seems minimal. लेकिन उनके खुशी से चमकते हुए चेहरे को और किसी मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स की जरूरत नहीं है. She added her wedding hashtag Kaj got kitched as the caption to this picture. Kajal, we are so happy to see you start a new chapter in your life, and we wish you all the very best as you get ready to become Gautam ki dulhan. Planet Bollywood में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, but stay tuned because I'll be back in a short while.
नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं हूं एजाज खान, मेरी बहुत प्यारी दोस्त.
Ejaz Khan seems to be missing Gauhar Khan, who left the reality show hosted by Salman Khan recently. Ejaz, who had confessed to having a crush on Gauhar earlier, was heard telling new entrant Kavita Kaushik as well that he had found Gauhar very attractive. Gauhar Khan may have been on a popular reality show for just 2 weeks as a senior and a mentor, but looks like she has left a huge impression on her fellow contestant Ejaz Khan, जो उन्हें काफी याद कर रहे थे. Gauhar Khan, who has been spending quality time with her rumored boyfriend Zaid Darbar since her stint on the reality show ended, shared a video clip of Kavita Kaushik and Ejaz Khan discussing what makes her so special and expressed gratitude for their kind words. Gauhar, who has been a contestant on the show before, was invited back for a 2-week stint along with other experienced players like Hina Khan and Siddharth Shukla. जब वो घर में थी, तब कैमरास ने एजाज खान को अभिनव शुक्ला से ये बातें करते हुए कैप्चर किया था कि उन्हें गौहर पर क्रश है. Ejaz had said he finds her very attractive, and he was seen telling the same thing to the new entrant Kavita Kaushik as well. Kavita and Ejaz were discussing if he found anyone on the show attractive, to which Ejaz replied कि उन्हें गौहर बहुत attractive लगती थी. He even commented that she used to dress very well and spoke about her outfits, to which Kavita responded कि गौहर की खूबसूरती उनके कपड़ों की वजह से नहीं है. She added that गौहर की सुंदरता का क्रेडिट उनके ग्रेस और पर्सनालिटी को जाता है and the way she carries herself which makes her stand out. Looks like Gauhar, who has now left the reality show, was quite touched when she came across a video clip of Aijaz and Kavita talking about her and shared it on her social media page with the caption, "Such kind words. So grateful." पर जहां एजाज देवदास बने बैठे हैं गौहर की याद में, the stunning star is enjoying quality time with her rumored boyfriend Zaid Darbar. Zaid had shared an update after he was reunited with Gauhar and the couple soon jetted off to Goa for a short break. Zaid and Gauhar are rumored to be getting married next month, लेकिन अभी तक इस बात को लेके कोई confirmation नहीं आए हैं. The couple was spotted by the press as they returned hand in hand from their holiday in Goa and both looked relaxed in each other's company and casual clothes to reflect their post-holiday mood. It looks like all the reports about Aijaz's declaration of affection have not upset Zaid at all, who told a newspaper, "I did not feel possessive at all. In fact, I wanted him to realize a few more qualities of Gauhar because I know she is too good." Good luck, Gauhar and Zaid. Seems like you two are really happy together and hopefully soon आप दोनों शादी करके happily ever after भी हो जाएंगे. Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave your views and comments in the comment section below on our social media handles and digital platform. And also go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on your favorite Bollywood celebrities. This is me, Sagarika Chhetri, signing off for now. Promising to be back tomorrow. But until next time, it's goodbye.